Hello students. In previous lecture we have seen multiplication of two matrices. So condition for multiplication of two matrices is that the number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. So यहाँ पे कई examples है. Depends on that multiplication rule. Exercise 2.3 and 8 number example. If a equal to 2, 1 and 2, 2, 2, 1, show that a square minus 4a is scalar matrix. So this is 8 number example from exercise 2.3. So if A is this is a matrix, so show that A square minus 4A is scalar matrix. So to find out first of all A square. So A square this is a square matrix of order 3 by 3 का square matrix है. तो A square find करने के लिए तो 2 times multiplication of same matrix A into A. 2 times multiplication. अगर स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स का स्क्वायर फाइंड करा तो अगर ए स्क्वायर करना है तो मैट्रिक्स को स्क्वायर होना चाहिए. 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स, 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स. तो ए इंटू ए 1 2 2 एंड 2 1 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन विथ सेम मैट्रिक्स 1 2 2 2 1 एंड 2 2 4. मल्टीप्लिकेशन अगर करना है तो रो वर्सेस कॉलम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम मल्टीप्लिकेशन. फर्स्ट रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन विथ फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 4. फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम 2 plus 2 plus 4 and first row third column, so 2 plus 4 plus 2. This is first row multiplication with first column, first row with second column and first row with third column. Now again second row with first column, so 2 into 1 2 plus 2 and plus 4. So second row, second column. Again 2 into 2 4 plus 1 plus 4. Second row and third column 4 plus 2 plus 2. So now last third row first column. So 2 plus 4 plus 2 and third row second column 4 plus 2 plus 2 and third row third column 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 4 and 9 and 4 plus 4 8. 4 plus 4 8. This is also answer is 8 and here 9 again 8 8. Addition of this last that is 9. So this is a square. Again a square minus 4 is scalar matrix. So here a square minus 4a. A square minus 4a. So take a square matrix. A square matrix is 9 8 8. A square minus 4a. So a square is 9 8 8 and this is a square matrix minus 4 into so a matrix. Here a square as it is 8 9 8 8 8 9. So minus so scalar multiplication of matrix. So 4 is just any number, so multiply each element of second matrix with 4. So 4 into 1 4 4 into 2 8 again 8 and 8 4 4 into 2 8 here also 8 and 4 into 1 4. Now subtraction of two matrix. So subtraction of two matrix means both matrix have same order. Therefore 9 minus 4, so 9 minus 4 5, 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 8 again 0. So 8 minus 8 0, 9 minus 4 5 0 0 0 and 9 minus 4 so 5 again. So take 5 common, this is a scalar matrix. Therefore 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, this is the identity matrix. Means a square minus 4 is a scalar matrix. So we know the definition of scalar matrix. So non diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are same. That is the definition of scalar matrix. So a square minus 4 is a scalar matrix. Now second example. 9th example for our exercise 2.3. So if example is that if A is equal to 1 0 minus 1 7, this is a matrix. So here find K so that A square minus 8A minus AI equal to 0. So this is a given equation, A square minus 8A minus AI, where I and 0 are here I and this 0 are identity and null matrix of order 2 by 2. So find the value of K using this matrix. First of all find out A square. So A square means 2 times multiplication of same matrix. So A square is equal to A into A, 1 0 minus 1 7. So 2 times multiplication of same matrix minus 1 7. So here first row, first column, row versus column again. 1 into 1 1. So 0 into minus 1. So 0 1 into 0. First row, second column, 1 into 0 0 and 0 into 7 0. So second row, first column, minus 1 plus 1, multiplication minus 1 and 7 into minus 1 minus 7. Again second row, second column, minus 1 into 0 0, 7 into 7 49. So 1 0 minus 8 and 49. This is a square matrix. So here we have to find out the value of K. So therefore write down equation given A square minus 8A minus Ki equal to 0. We know I is identity matrix of order 2 by 2 and 0 is null matrix of order 2 by 2. So therefore we can write A square 1 0 minus 8 49 minus 8 is any number into A 1 0 minus 1 7. So minus K into I. I is identity matrix of order 2 by 2 means 1 0 0 1 equal to null matrix 0 0 0 0. Null matrix of order 2 by 2. Again therefore, so 1 0 minus 8 49. So multiply this with plus 8 minus 8 into 1 minus 8 0 minus 8 minus 1 8 and 56 minus 56. So plus K minus K into 1 minus K into 0 0 and minus K into 0. Here again minus K equal to 0 0 0. Here addition of 3 matrices. So 3 matrices have same order 2 by 2. So we can add 3 matrices directly. So 1 minus 8 minus K, 1 -8 minus k. Corresponding elements, add corresponding elements. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, minus 8 plus 8 and 0, minus 8 plus 8 plus 0, 49 minus 56 minus k, so equal to null matrix 0 0 and 0 0. 1 minus 8 minus 7 minus k, this is 0, minus 8 plus 8 0 and 49 minus 56, so minus 7 minus k equal to 0 0 and 0 0. So using definition of equality of two matrices, using definition of equality of two matrices, left side matrix is equal to right side hand matrix, therefore minus 7 minus k equal to 0 and again minus 7 minus k equal to 0, using the definition of equality of two matrices. So corresponding elements from left side hand side matrix and right hand matrix are equal. So therefore k equal to minus 7, here is also k equal to minus 7. So last k equal to is answer minus 7. So using this equation we have to find out value of k. Example number 13, find x and y if, so these are the given matrix and here we have to find out the value of x and y. So here directly multiply this 4 with all elements in this matrix. So 4 into 2 8 minus 4 12 and 4 into 1 4 0 and 8, and second matrix 3 minus 3 4 2 1 1, 2 minus 1 1 as it is equal to x and y. तो x and y का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. अगर ये दो मैट्रिक्स का सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर है 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, therefore सब्ट्रैक्शन कर सकते हैं. 8 minus 3 5 minus 4 minus of minus 3 means minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 and 12 minus 4 8, 4 minus 2 2 and 0 minus 1, therefore minus 1 and 8 minus 1 7 and multiplication with 2 minus 1 1 equal to x y. Now multiplication of two matrices. So order of this first matrix is 2 by 3 and order of second matrix is 3 by 1. So here condition for multiplication of matrices is number of column in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in second matrix. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स में 3 कॉलम्स है और सेकंड मैट्रिक्स में 3 रोज, therefore multiplication exists. So first row first column and second row second column. So first multiplication with first row, so first column 5 into 2 10 plus 1 plus 8, and second row first column 4 plus 1, so equal to x and y. So therefore 19 and 4 plus 1 5 plus 7, so 12 equal to x and y. So using definition of equality of two matrices, using definition of equality of two matrices. So here x is equal to 19 and y is equal to 12. This is the answer. So using equality of two matrices. एक्सरसाइज 2.3 15 नंबर एग्जांपल। सो यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल है, उसमें टू फ्रेंड्स जे एंड राम आर टू फ्रेंड्स। सो जे वांट टू बाय 4 पेन एंड 8 notebooks and Ram wants to buy 5 pen 12 notebooks. So price of each pen is 6 rupees and price of each notebook is 10 rupees. Means question is that find amount of each one of them required. मीन्स जे के लिए कितने अमाउंट का रिक्वायरमेंट है, 4 पेन और 8 नोटबुक जे को लेना है, तो टोटल रिक्वायरमेंट अमाउंट कितना है, और राम के लिए 5 पेन और 12 नोटबुक चाहिए, तो अमाउंट फाइंड करना है आपको। अगर एक पेन का वैल्यू है 6 रुपीज और नोटबुक का वैल्यू है 10 रुपीज यूजिंग मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन कंडीशन। तो ये डिस्क्रिप्टिव एग्जांपल है, तो मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में यहाँ पे लिखा है। तो पेन and notebook 2 columns, पेन का कॉलम है 4 5 and notebook 8 and 12। so B matrix है, value of pen 6 rupees and value of notebook 10 rupees। so now let x amount, or you can say that say x amount required for J to buy 4 pen and 8 notebooks। so X amount required for J to buy 4 pen and 8 notebook, and you can say Y is amount required, Y is amount required to J, sorry, to Ram, amount required to Ram to buy 5 pens and 12 notebooks, and here 4 pen and 8 notebooks। means J requires X amount, J require X amount to buy 4 pen 8 notebook, and Y amount required for Ram to buy 5 pen and 12 notebook। so therefore A into B equal to multiplication of A into B। so 4 8 5 12 6 and 10 equal to X and Y। means multiplication of A into B equal to X and Y। so X is the amount required to J and Y is amount required to Ram। so therefore multiplication, so using condition for multiplication of two matrices, so order of first matrix is 2 by 2 and order of second matrix is 2 by 1। so number of columns in first matrix are 2 columns and number of rows in second matrix are 2 rows। so therefore multiplication exists। again multiplication of first row with first column, so 4 into 6 24 plus 80, and second row with first column, so 30 plus 120, so equal to X Y। therefore 104 and 150 equal to X and Y matrix। so using definition of equality of two matrices, using definition of equality of two matrices, so X is equal to RS 104 and Y is equal to rupees 150। so here you can write the answer। so J required 104 rupees to buy 4 pen and 8 notebook, and Ram required rupees 150 to buy 5 pen, 12 notebook. Means this is a numerical example. So matrix form we can write this is in matrix form, pen and notebook. So they require 4 pen, 8 notebook, and RAM required 5 pen, 12 notebook. So value of each pen and notebook is 6 and 10. So take X amount required to J and Y amount required to RAM. Take multiplication of two matrix equal to XY. So 104 equal to X and 150 is equal to Y using definition of equality of two matrices. So J required 104 rupees and RAM required 150 rupees to buy 5 pen and 12 notebooks. Thank you.